Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Very, very good morning. Happy days. Have a happy days and happiness and good wishes. Good luck with good congratulations and good happiness with God blessing us and you and with all mercies, with all merciful and gracious God helping, supporting us in our all fields efforts for the worldwide, inshallah ta'ala, by gracious of merciful of God. Thank you, my all friends and fans. You are watching the Universal All Voices, All Speeches, VIP Chief Advisor, Take Television, amazing, incredible, all worldwide, all kind education and talking, researching, result, talking studio for you, for the worldwide internet, international, global wise internet, division lovers, fan and friends and people and humanity, humankind services, for peace and justice, for love and for the entertainment, good VIP entertainment for humanity, good happiness and good wishes for helping, supporting to make a good, honestly, truly entertainment and nice entertainment to love you, and we representing always over all video messages and all kind of messages for you, for the humanity, for worldwide. Inshallah ta'ala, you are looking and forwarding our all program to you and sharing to forward in the worldwide your pages, your in your kind efforts and helping, supporting love for us, for our program. Thank you, most welcome in this season of the greatest world cricket T20 matches tournament in the United States of Arab Emirates, in Dubai and in Sharjah. The very, very incredible, amazing matches and tournament of the great players and great star of the world cricket tournament champions and players are showing and representing you good VIP, happiness, entertainment, to love, to join cricket matches and play and all tournament, to love all tournament of the worldwide playing good entertainment and happiness for you all the time in the worldwide. So most welcome in the all our recordable research divisions, Universal All Voices Speeches, Chief Advisor, Tech Television, amazing, incredible VIP, all kind of the education and result and World T20 cricket matches, tournament result and the some description and detail to advising you, for us, for you, for all cricket fan and lovers, entertainment and worldwide talking and studio talking. Most welcome. Thank you very much. You know about the latest news of Afghanistan was Pakistan. The Pakistani Shaheens and good happiness and happy, full, healthful, great youngest Shaheens, youngest players have beat the Afghanistan and got the great victory in the over pool, in your pool, and reach on the semi-final matches, for the final matches, inshallah ta'ala, by gracious, merciful and helpful supporting of the Holy Greatest God. Thank you, most welcome. So this victory of the Pakistan vs Afghanistan is a very important and good views, good comments from the all people of the worldwide cricket players and cricket entertainment lovers and fans, and over all televisions, worldwide television transmission are giving you and giving us many too much comments and views for the this worldwide T20 cricket matches tournament in the United States of Emirates, the greatest country and greatest lovers, cricket lovers country, and the greatest all lovers, all kind of lovers, players, artists, film artists, Hollywood, Jollywood, Gollywood, Lollywood, and the worldwide film studios and festival artists, and showing to the worldwide for us and for you, to joining to make a good entertainment, VIP entertainment, and love to join good happiness with good health, with good your success succeeds, and the successful efforts for you and for us, for the greatest humanity, humankind services, peace and love and brotherhood, to make happiness, goodness for us and for you in the worldwide. That is a very incredible and amazing thing, and program, and the organizers and chairman and all department of the television and media, social media, are helping, supporting, and representing you for, on the internet, global wise, internet division, Facebook division, in the all kind of the entertainment, communication, VIP, internet gold, global wise, internet division, in television division, in media and social media division, on these pages, on the Instagram, Twitter, and the Facebook, and all communication department of the international internet, global wise internet division. Most welcome. Thank you very much. We joining and representing you some detail and views and comments of this season of the world wide, global wise, T20 cricket championship tournament, T20 worldwide matches tournament, playing in United Arab Emirates, in Dubai, Sharjah cities, very excellent and good, and happiness, and VIP programming showing us, and on the television, global wise, worldwide, and in the all television and social media, and in our programming, in our studios, presenting for you a good latest detail in the worldwide. So we are showing and joining about the views and comments and details, and in detailing all description of this Cricket World Cup T20 to 2021 century and year of the new latest year. Happy New Year, with happiness, all good year and good days, and tournament players, competition, matches competition are very grateful, happyful, and interesting thing, and an interesting player and shot and scene and location of the worldwide T20 cricket player championship matches tournament in the United States of Arab Emirates. Welcome, most welcome. Thank you. So Pakistan now is a very famous and popular country, and player and Shaheen cricket team, worldwide cricket team players are showing us a good matches, good efforts, with good happiness and good luck. Lover with lover of the all worldwide cricket matches and cricket playing showing us a good entertainment, good happiness, and good scene, good location of the matches in the ground, United Arab Emirates, Sharjah and Dubai, for the people of the cricket matches is very excellent and very good playing, shot and scene and location, and the shooting, and representing us for you, for us. So Pakistan beat the Afghanistan, the greatest world T20 cricket championship matching tournament, are representing you all matches, day wise, day and night, on the detail and list of the Cricket World T20 matches 2021 in Dubai and Sharjah, of the greatest season, and the all detail and description in the list of the matches, timing and timing and victories, and our latest and new news is and latest news is, all things representing you, you are finding in our all televisions channels of the worldwide entertainment international internet global wise transmission on the worldwide in universal all voices and all speeches. VIP chief advisor, take television, amazing, incredible talking and detailing and description, VIP education description, and talking studio in the worldwide representing you this latest news and latest competitions, detail and description, and our greatest views, VIP views for you, for the players, for the worldwide champion cricket teams, players, and for the organizers, for the teacher and masters of the cricket team players, advisors, for you and for all of them of the worldwide, to give you, representing you as some very, very VIP, very excellent and very good views and comments for you on the worldwide on this stages and this season of the worldwide T20 World Cricket Championship matching tournaments. So now a latest and news that is Pakistan have completed third matches, 3 matches in this tournament, and third matches was Afghanistan match. Very, very great to have got a victory for Pakistan and for Pakistani lovers, for the worldwide cricket matches lovers, fan and friends, and so Pakistani position is very strong to reach final goal in the World T20 matches in the semi-final stages, and the inshallah ta'ala nearest about final stage, inshallah ta'ala, with the God blessing and mercies and all God blesses and helping, supporting us. Thank you very much, God, and thank you, and God blessing you always with kindly and kindness and truly and honestly. So Pakistan making a good point and good results for the future of worldwide cricket championship and worldwide cricket T20 World Cup of the cricket worldwide, for the record of the history, inshallah ta'ala. So you will join us and joining our views and comments about this stages, this all field. You know, the Afghanistan team is not a big team or a heroic team of the cricket world. In the cricket world, you have some recordable and very, very excellent my views and comments in the world for cricket World Cup and for cricket lovers, fans, our all fan and our lovers. Afghanistan new cricket team came in the World Cup and World Cricket History Championship and champion trophies matches. So Bangladesh also new team, cricket team in the world. Sri Lanka also new World Cup, the new team. But Bangladesh and Namibia and some Arab countries cricket teams and Afghanistan cricket team are a very, very new teams of the cricket world cup. So I mean this my views and comments are representing you for the good and true result and detail. Afghanistan is not lazy boys and lazy players, very strong and nice and youngest player of the Afghanistan country of the cricket team, playing a very nice, excellently good, but they haven't any experience and no knowledge about cricket, just only a player play in the ground for the cricket matches as a cricket player. Like the same, Bangladesh is better than Afghanistan. The Bangladesh country cricket team of the world cricket team playing in worldwide World Cricket Cup matches is a very, very excellent and good and very nice cricket team. But They all play are too much youngest and confused when they play in the ground. Too much confusing. They have confusing and doubt about the dangerous scene and location of the playing of the player of the Cricket World Cup. Because I mean, in the worldwide, you have some very, very excellent and good youngest player of the worldwide cricket world matches, world teams, worldwide cricket players team who about a very, very excellent same. Pakistan is a very greatest, faster and the very powerful, strong country of the worldwide cricket playing players because cricket team is a over country, national country of greatest Islamic Republic of Pakistan, national game. Cricket is our national game. So we have to do for good effort, for excellent effort, for the greatest future of the worldwide World Cup cricket matches in the worldwide, in all kind of the worldwide World Cup cricket tournaments in the worldwide. So we have to make a good, excellent and nice cricket. We have and we must and we should play good cricket. If we join and greatly, kindly play for the our nation, for our lovers, greatest lover of Pakistanis, of cricket matches, of cricket players, of cricket teams, so you must to have to do a good efforts and very excellent and powerful, strongly strength powers, and strongly and with good experience. You have to must take a good experience about the cricket matches, from the cricket matches and about the playing, about this bowlership and bowling in the all kind of the bowling and all kind of the batsman playing to make a good batsman, a super batsman for the in the field of matches, playing matches for all time, from the opening time, opening batsman, opening time to end and to a last player come to very good as a opener batsman. That is our meaning and our excellent views and worldwide incredible, amazing talking, advising for you as a chief advisor of the worldwide VIP education, big television and television, amazing and incredible talking studio for you, for us, for the all worldwide players and all kind of the playing championship tournament, Olympic games in the worldwide, in kind of the all play games. You have to must to make a good, excellent efforts and exercises and the good health for you and for us for all the time. Good health, good, excellent physical report and powerful and strength and strongly you have to good make a good effort for any play to play for the world, to make a good championship and worldwide cricket player, football player, hockey player, football, snooker player, worldwide kabaddi and wrestling and boxing and the as the athletes games and the all worldwide games for running and for fast running and fast great play which we have to belong for people for the worldwide in the play games field of the worldwide. So you have to must make a good excellent player and good excellent man with your good behave truly honestly with your kindness and nice love of from you for yourself for us for the game and for the playing division for the in the field of the all matches in the field of the all kind day and night and morning time exercise and love and thinking and about your searching and your reading and studies are the very strongly for this report and for this field. Then you come to make a good player of the worldwide of any field of the any play and games of the tournament and worldwide Olympic and worldwide Olympic matches, Olympic championship. If you are a good man, good ladies and gentlemen, good boys and good girls, Yani good boys and girls, good excellent ladies and gentlemen, you are opening your good youngest life with your good physical fitness and uh, your efforts of the exercises daily, morning time and night time, and the good eat and good food and good health and good entertainment, good studying in your colleges, in academies, in your university department, and always, all time, you want to play and make a good entertainment for your life, and the good, excellent mind and studies in your studies. Division, university division, college, schools to college and to university division for the complete your studies also. That is a very complicated and very excellent program for your life, for great bright future, for the all subject and lessons, and to make a creation and to make a good developing and making a for our nation work and efforts for nation, for country, for the worldwide, to make yourself and your all life and for future, inshallah ta'ala, you make always, and you get always success and succeed, the nice success and good, excellent, successful success, victories, and the all winnership award and victories award and tournament award and all kind of worldwide matches and playing and all Olympic award and the all kind of the worldwide cricket matches, worldwide tournament cricket matches, worldwide award and tournament trophy and money checks and the special VIP person checks. So that is a very incredible, amazing talk and detail and description, and my all greatest VIP views for you. Always, inshallah, in this season also I am representing this. My all views is on the stage of the season of the World Cricket T20 tournament in the United Arab Emirates, in Sharjah and Dubai stages, field and in the grounds field and all talking. You know, these are the first and very, very excellent and important and must and principle and the lights and the education light for guidance, for helping, supporting, all advising from me to you, for all players, for the all families, members, friends, and in the country, in our country, in the whole country of the worldwide, youngest lovers, play lovers, joining and researching and seeking a good advisor and good teacher and good master, good professor and good knowledge expert, chief advisor, so that I am giving you a good, freely, frankly, a good advising, excellent thing for you forever in the inshallah ta'ala and nice way to make your life and yourself a good and bright future for the worldwide, for yourself, for your family self, for your country wise, your national wise self. Your all selves are the coming and beginning, bringing for you a good way, good bright future, inshallah ta'ala, by helping, supporting of the greatest God and honor of the creation of all universal and helpful, supporting lovers. We trust Him, we love Him, we believe Him that God is supporting us all the time in all fields, which are the follower are truly, honestly love and make a good service for the greatest God, Holy God, and for the greatest, truly, honestly, for humanity service, peace and love and justice forever, inshallah ta'ala. Cricket is a very, very excellent and the modern and the citizen games and play. Cricket is not a loafer time and loafer players and loafer men and loafer humanity societies game and play. Cricket is a very excellent and very, very super citizenship play and games. Cricket represent you and make you a good modern human of the world, of your nation, of your country, of your family, of your city, and of your town. Then you become a good, excellent man and bringing out and You are coming out in the worldwide and entering and in the worldwide citizenship for humanity a grateful, bright future. Because like hockey and the like football and like wrestling and like boxing and like athletes, there are too much various kind of the athlete games. But you should know about the cricket, hockey, and the football and athletes. I am representing you and giving you some good details in my views and my thinking and my knowledge is about the greatest worldwide playing championship and world tournament and the world game of the various kind of the many countries of the national or other national. These are the belong from for humanity in the worldwide. Cricket is a by chance. That is a fact and perfect result for you. Cricket is a by chance game. Cricket knows not is your effort and powerful standard mind and knowledge experience of the cricket matches of cricket field to make a good player. No, cricket is a by chance. First, cricket is a by chance. Hockey is a by technique. Hockey matches, hockey play is a by technique. And third one, football. I am also advisor, chief advisor of the various kind of knowledges, educations, and the field of science, scientists, and the all kind of religious knowledges, education, and all kind of the playing game educations. Advisor, chief advisor of worldwide. Inshallah ta'ala, by helping and supporting gracious mercies of the God. I am for you, you are follow me, what I am saying you, advising you, and you make your good life, good behave truly honestly in your life, start and beginning your life with my advice and views, then you make a good bright future in your all field, and you will find and you will give me succeed. Pray for me and for my efforts, for my field which I am representing in the worldwide for you, freely, honestly, for humanity, for peace and love and justice, inshallah ta'ala, by grade of the greatest holy God, helping and supporting, love and trust Him. Listen to me. I am telling you, advising you, cricket is a by chance. There are something in cricket. First, cricket is a by chance. Why by chance? It's not excellent by chance. Chance means you have to make a good chance. What is chances? If you play in ground, in any team in the worldwide of your country or your city or in your belong your town or your family or societies or your departments, you have some teams and develop and make to play to make a good entertainment. All plays, first you have to know, follow me, all play games, all kind of play games and players to make a good play for joining a entertainment love and the great successful love humanity. Yes. Then you call and you are a player. Then you love play. Then you are a lovers and fan and greatest advisors and supporter and honorable organizers of the game. If you don't have humanity, humankind, peace and love and justice and helping and supporting for love and humanity, so you are not player. You can't make any play and you are also not play. Because play are only just for entertainment, for your health, for your fitness, for physical fitness, for your make a good yourself good healthful youngest man in your life, to make a good developer and helpful and good honest with behave and truly honestly man, ladies and gentlemen in all field of the playing and game of the worldwide. Yes, cricket is a by chance. What is chance? What is meaning of chance? Why say we are cricket is by chance? All body says cricket is by chance, by chance, by chance. But we do not know what is the chance. What is the by chance? What is the by chance? Chance mean, you know chance mean? Chance mean to get a good result of your activities, of your behavior, your healthful and physical fitness things, and your what you are representing and showing play, and what you are making a good play of any field of the players of the game like cricket. By chance, if you are confidently, with responsibility, with responsible playing good heartily for healthful physical fitness, so then you are playing a good in your field, in pitches, in the ground with teams, in the humanity cricket team, worldwide cricket team players, then you are a player. So you get directly chances for your strength and power and fitness, for your knowledge and experience of cricket. If you don't have experience, knowledge about the cricket play, and chances about the strength and power, what is power, what is energies, what is the power, greatest all kind of energies to make a good healthful player, a player of the worldwide, player of your nation, player of your city and town, player of yourself. That is a very directly and to the point detailing and description, all my views and for you truly honestly. Because batsmen only not call you have a bat, so you call you are a batsman. No, that is a joke. I don't like to joke anything wrongly. Speech is talking for you and for me, for yourself. I don't want to, don't waste time for you, and you are not wasting time for me and for you, and you don't make any wasting time, and do not hesitate. My good and excellent, nice worldwide advising and chief advisor messages, video messages in your life give you great bright future inshallah ta'ala, and you will give me good success, successful, helpful, good wishes, praise from the God for you, for the God, for me, for us, for my life, for my all program, what I am speaking and talking speeches in the worldwide, all universal, all speeches, all talking, VIP talking, education, all kind of education, tech, television, amazing and incredible talking studio forever for the time being, and for this season World Cup T20 World Cup cricket play, T20 championship and worldwide T20 cricket tournaments in the United States of Arab Emirates for the worldwide entertainment, to make a good humanity love and humanity lovers and intermittent, happyful, loveful, peace and love and good luck for you, for us. So I meaning cricket is a by chance, but this all by chance are belong your strength, your physical fitness, your mind and your good excellent play to judgment, to make experience, good knowledge for your love life and your cricket life, your playing life. So always you think nice, good, excellent, then you will find a good player for yourself, for me, for all people in the ground, in the worldwide lovers and fans. About hockey, hockey is a by technique. Hockey is a by technique. If you are a very youngest and happyful and healthful, physically fitness, youngest ladies and gentlemen, so you can play hockey. But the technique, if you don't have technique about hockey, how you move and drive hockey for ball, and for playing among the players, hockey players, and among the people in the ground, in your tournaments or in your city or town, and all kind of your tournament playing game. When you drive and make and follow to hockey with ball to make around you and around the all players of other hockey players, when you take a ball with your hockey to go to the goal, so you must have to make a very goal. If you have a good stroke and stick defense like cricket players, if any batsman play on the ground, in the ground, when bowler give to him a ball, so the batsman looking about this ball and hit this ball with stroke, with power, strength, and his physical fitness of the knowledges about the which kind bowling coming for batsman. So he have a good judgment and defender and defense for hit of the ball. So that is a great player of the cricket matches, of cricket player championship and champion of the cricket. And like bowler, if bowling of the bowler of various kind of the ball, skin, the spin bowlers, spin bowling, first spin bowling is fast, second spin bowling are the very spin, and the spin bowling of the very slow spinning, and the very spinning, rounding spinning ball, and the fast and the rounding and the bumperful make a good spin of ball of bowlers. They all kind of the spin bowlers, cricket bowler and fast bowler have also many kind of the fast bowling. Firstly, very fast bowling. He move and bring ball and throw the batsman with very fast. That is called fast bowler. Fast bowler only bring out fast ball for player, batsman, for cricket player, very fast of his strength and power and youngest physical fitness give you energy, and you have also youngest and helpful player. So you make a good fast, too much fast, to throw the ball to the batsman in the cricket field. Then you are a very great and full fast bowler. And there are some kind of the fast bowling, about fast bowler, about too much fast bowler, and third one is the bumping, yani tripping, make a good tripping, two triple taking on the batsman fast ball with the bouncer. Yes, bombs mean too much bombs, and sometime you gave your laziest ball and fast ball, but the direct to the player. That is a very dangerous ball, because batsman will kill this ball and make a good, exactly sixer. Sixer. Yes, directly six. You make a fast ball to direct throw to the batsman, then he make a shoot and hit, very good, excellent sixer. Yes, like say all people, sixer, chakka, chokka. This is a nature of bowler cricket player. What kinds he have experience, knowledge about the bowling. And bouncer ball is a very dangerous also ball, because all kind of the fast bowling bowlers and ball are too much dangerous for playing, for players, cricket players in the field of the ground of in matches, is because if you don't have a helmet, like this hat of stainless steel helmet, safeful and careful for your head, for your mouth, for your body, and for your legs and your hands. You have to make a good glove and the pads and the glove of your underbody, under knicker, under pant, and under your chest, because the fast bowling is a not powerful and power of the player, that is they give strength and powerful energy to you for the cricket player batsman. Then he make a good mind to make a hit and shoot and stroke with his player and with his healthful fitness. Then make sixer and chokka and chakka. About the batsman, also all time attentionally play, make good physical fitness and healthful strength and power. Then he should play for the matches for to make a great victory for his team of the cricket team and national team, or the other any kind of the cricket play teams. So I mean, cricket is a by chance, but you are making all good chances for you, for your strength, for your mind experience of your life of cricket and the worldwide history, and they make a good history of the knowledge of the cricket, what is the cricket and what is meaning of cricket, what is meaning and bowling and throwing to the player, and the what is meaning of the batsman, of the shooting, hitting the ball coming from the bowler in the ground, and the play, and they all make runs, and runs making too much fast, and running too much fast, and make a good strengthly timely coming on the pitches in the victory time for the playing. That is a very grateful and nice thing for any player of the cricket team of the worldwide, any country belong us and from you, from the worldwide otherwise. So like spin ball, there is a very grateful kinds. I told and explained you about 5 kinds, maybe more than some kinds, but 5 kinds are very excellently famous in the worldwide cricket field of history. Spin, too much spin, spin ball, too much spin. Sometimes spin ball is very incredible, amazing, make a victory and make a wicket. Yes, if you have to know good experience of spinning, to moving your hand spinning, experientially, attentionally mind of experience of playing, of bowling, when you spin and throw the batsman, so batsman will puzzle and maybe go down wicket and out, or maybe if he a chance to hit the ball, maybe he mistakes and coming out catch. This is an incredible, amazing magic of spinning bowler, player of cricket World Cup and cricket player. If he make a good fast bowling, that is also magic, and good attentionally and experience knowledges, yes, and you have to make a spin. There are 5 kind I will explain you. Small, some only spin slow ball, and some fast ball spinning, too much spinning, and third one fast bowling, must not fast bowler or like fast bowler, fast spinning to go and throw the cricket pitches for the batsman, and the only general spin ball. If you make a good bowling throw and maybe spin or no spin, that is not mean, that is only spin player, spin bowler player. But magically and truly honestly, if you have experience about spinning, that is the very biggest and greatest magic bowling of the player in the worldwide. Any player have to know about spinning. So experience, knowledge is so then you are player. Like this fast bowler are not a fast bowler, too much fast bowler in the worldwide, in world cricket teams and playing teams in the all countries, and too much spinner bowlers are playing in the worldwide, in cricket world cricket teams in the all countries in the worldwide. But you should and must make yourself strongly, healthfully, mentally good, and good behave, love with cricket, with your field of the which you are joining, about bowler, about spin bowler, and about batsman. And all round batsman is a very excellent and great batsman. Like he can play to show all time play, every time play as good, excellent, hitful, like saying boom, 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 mean and not a joke and not play, just only hit, and saying to happy, hello, hi, very nice, very excellent, excellent. When we say to anybody, any person, ladies and gentlemen, hello, very nice, have a good day, nice, excellent, happy full, thank you, most welcome, thank you, hi, hello, hello. So in the ground, all bodies say, boom, 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 hi, hi. That's mean you're playing as a batsman, you're playing of the bowler, kind of bowling, people and all sitting in the ground, all people are liking, happy full, giving you happiness and wishes and compliments and nice thinking for you and your playing. But sometimes many too much players are confused and confused in playtime in the ground, like a one new man coming on the stage for the any acting or for artist for speaking and talking his speeches. So coming nervous and confused for about his field and what are he showing and playing to the world, to the public on the stage, and confused and down his mind and mentally confused and coming out again back to his seat. So thank you very much, my dear friend. Like cricket match, I say we are reading and studying in the our all lessons and subjects in my childhood life, your childhood life. A for apple, B for bat, B for ball, C for cat, C for cat or cap, this cap, yes. D for dog, D for dog, E for elephant or eat or eggs, and we join G for goat or geographia or George or judge, judgment, I for international or inkpot or, and like this too much more. A, B, C, D, all alphabetics of English are calling you to make successful succeeds in your studies, in your learning, in your all experience, in your life, in your childhood life, to make and grow, come to youngest life in your experience, aged life of your knowledges about education. So this all alphabetically words make sentence and complements and complicated and not complicated all lesson subjects to study, to get for your bright future in your all kind of the education field. So I say A mean apple, not only apple. A mean all thing you have to know and to study and to make a good bright future. Yes, must you have to make it truly honestly your life and bright future for your life and your family, for your parents, grandparents, and your children, family, your wives, and loveful love friendship, and for your love life partnership and partners and your father and families. You have to make a study and learn and to make a good, lovely, to love truly honestly with your kindness, love behave, and thankful behave. All your true efforts, successful efforts in your life truly honestly. So you must have to make a good result for your good and excellent VIP, great bright future for the worldwide yourself, for the worldwide in the humanity, humankind services, and the worldwide of the all field of the humanity, and your love life partnership and bright future, all kind of field of your love life bright futures fields, uh, all kinds you are making, and you are a good sponsor, responsible guru, great guru and teacher and advisor and professor and player, also science or scientist, science, all things belong true and honestly, good behave, excellent, good health, and good behave, good love and trust and efforts, and truly honestly in your life, in our life, in all the worldwide, for all kind of efforts in the worldwide. So what is I am giving you the knowledge and advising and views are giving our all commitment about the my channel, television studio channel, in the YouTube channel, the all greatest universal, all voices, speeches, VIP education, chief advisors, take television, amazing, incredible, all kind education and talking studio of the universal for you, representing you, for you, of our all video messages, program, entertainment, musical or artist or film festival of the and the education life, all kind of education about Holy Quran, Bible, Torah, Zabur, Injil, and Holy Book of the greatest Holy God, and the all description and detail will represent you, giving you, inshallah, by gracious of God, about entertainment of good play and players and education and advising of play to make a good entertainment and thankful and successful, grateful victories and for us, for you, inshallah ta'ala, give all kind of the victories of the successful victories efforts. Give us, O Holy Greatest God, Creator of the Universal and the Creator of the All Victory and Successful, Merciful, gracious mercies, thankful efforts for us, for you, for all the true and honest humanity and humanity lovers, humanity's peace and justice lovers, and humanity help and supporting for us, for you, always helping and supporting as a serviceman, as a very, very good, excellent serviceman, incredible, amazing serviceman of the service of the Holy Greatest God in the universal, in the earth, in all earth division of the east and west and south and north, from any country in the all wide worldwide countries, for humanity, for peace and justice, love, true and friendship. Make a good friendship to you, to make a good, excellent, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, entertainment and friendship, to make, to know about truly, honestly, to know about each other, to know about the all behave, about history of near history and old history, about all kind which are we needing to make a good friendship for the humanity in the worldwide. Thank you, grateful, most welcome, and thank you, O greatest God. Thank you, O greatest God. Thank you, O greatest God, Holy greatest God. With your all mercies and with your all gracious mercies and blessing and loveful kindness, helping, supporting for us. Thank you, most welcome, 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 welcome. Thank you. Bye bye. See you Hello, all friends. Thank you. See you, inshallah ta'ala. I hopefully joining you. You must to have follow and lovefully, hopefully, humanityfully love us and join us our program and messages. All kind of. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you, inshallah ta'ala. This All World Cup T20 and the all tournament, worldwide tournament, inshallah ta'ala, we give you support, advice, messages, and helping, supporting, nice speeches. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you. God blessing us, you, all the time, everywhere in the worldwide, in our all program. Truly, honestly, thank you, God. Thank you, greatest God. Love for, thank you, God. آمين يا رب العالمين آمين يا رب شكرا جزيلا مرحبا أهلا وسهلا شكرا لك سبحانك ربنا رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل سيدنا